for my hair treatment. So excited. It's my first time, guys. 타요. 짜가지 treatment does. That's scalp treatment. I'm gonna do that. And now we are here. Let's go Jardin here. Let's go to second floor. We are here. Hi, 감사합니다. Also, the makeup gets wet. Makeup gets sugar shit. Nice. Okay, before I start my hair treatment, first thing they'll do is they check my scalp analysis using a microscope, and the expertise will explain about it.
Normal scalp is 2 hair and 3 hair growing out, and very thick hair, and here's a full fur, and very little shining and looks so clean. But your scalp is already curled. Here to already curled. But your scalp is just oily and then just very thick a little bit. So I think you can get in the 15 step.
15 step?
Yeah.
It's the next neck massage oil. Yeah. Ajal told you though, on the sure. Yep. Yeah. Mugi gluda natural aroma oil massage. The massage so dead skin ganza remove cheers. Dead skin cells down, impurities, blood circulations. Mita. Tadanda ganzo chiyo diya galvanic sealing brush diming la ya. Ani digi sa digi ngela aroma oil chi chumba. Wondi ya absorb chida digi numdi scalp la. Nourish it. Longombu diya ya. LED. Nanglo la nourish shabuchin moisturizer din. And nanglo ki thakar chigira blood vessel din so open chida. And moisturizer din nanglo la absorb chi. This step bimba dekira. Scrub wash di. Detox chi scalp dila. 89% mint fish. I think he ended that. I thought it was
One left turn, and then here is a same area.
Oh.
Here's very lot oil buildup and sometimes a lot of dandruff and over is the clog.
Okay.
And here's very little cloudy, some humid, right?
Yeah.
But now it's all the oily and some dandruff and place. And then over is the open, and then here is very little clear, right?
Yeah.
Here's you cannot see the your root, but now it's you can see all the your root.
Yep.
This shining is all the normal shiny.
Oh.
This one is very healthy now.
Healthy? Oh, okay.
Very looks so very yellow skin and some very cloudy and all is the cloud too.
Yeah.
But now it's very open the fur and then here is very yellow skin, right?
Yeah.
But right now it's very like white
Yep.
and some milk. This color is your natural scalp color.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Here too. Here's very yellow and some very looks humid too. And sometimes like a dandruff, sometimes very a lot oil buildup.
Okay.
But now it's the open and then only with the oily and dandruff too.
Okay.
Here too, this is all the normal shiny, very healthy.
चेहरे पे हंसी तेरे आने से ही खिली है तुझे पाने की चाहत में अब साजिशें ये दिली हैं बेयारा तेरी यारी मेरे दिल से ही जुड़ी है
Hello, Tasso, I'm done. I love the hair. I love their service. Ani, yeah. So that's it for today's vlog. I must recommend this one because I love it. And yes, that's it for today's vlog. I hope you enjoy my vlog. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Yeah, bye.
Thank you for being here.
बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।